Hi everyone, my name is Ashley. I'm just going to be briefly going over my lesson plan for kindergarten topic counting and cardinality. The state standard is when counting objects, the students will be able to say the number names in standard order, pair each object with one and only one number name, and each number name with one and only one object. The students will be able to read number names 1 through 10 correctly and in order, with and without the number label. They will also be able to see an object, count how many objects there are, and pair each object with its number name. Here are some materials that they'll need, such as colored pencils, glue, posters, and safety scissors. I'll start the lesson by discussing the numbers in order and have them say the numbers out loud. Then I'll show them flashcards with numbers on one side and the name on the other. I'll read them to them and then have the students read the number names back to me. I will then discuss what worksheets and activities that they'll be doing, and then I'll give them the first worksheet. It's a cut and paste worksheet that they'll cut out the objects and number names, and then they'll mix them up, match them together, and if they're correct, then they'll glue them onto a poster. Then they'll reevaluate with me and discuss how easy or hard the worksheet was, and then I'll explain what the next one that I want them to do is. The second worksheet they will be given is a color match worksheet that they can color the object and the correct number name the same color and or draw lines to connect the objects with their number name. They'll reevaluate with me, and then I'll show them Unifix cubes and have them count how many I'm holding, and then pick up or point to the correct number name card. They will then discuss with their friends in the class how they thought they did, what they learned, and then they'll discuss with me how hard or easy everything was. I'll walk around the room to help those who are struggling, and if they're not struggling, see how well they're working. I'll also help remind those that need reminded of what to do. They'll show me that they met the objective by showing me that they can correctly match the number names with objects. They'll show me their understanding when they're shown the Unifix cubes and number names and are told to point up or pick up the correct number name. They'll also show me how they did in their understanding by telling me how well they thought they did on it and how hard or easy it was for them. I'll write down their thoughts and write how I thought they did as well. Some students may struggle with reading the number names and matching them. These students will get one-on-one help or together at a table. Some may grasp the concept quicker, and these students may get the opportunity to read and match higher numbers such as 11 through 20. Here is the flashcards, just numbers 1 through 10. They would be colored. This is the first worksheet, the cut and paste one that they'll cut, mix up, and then put onto a poster. This is the second worksheet that they'll color match and or draw lines to connect the objects with their number names. Thank you so much. I appreciate any feedback you guys have.